We've talked a lot about improvements in data quality and data accuracy and how it's transformed the next-generation sequencing space. What excites you about next-generation sequencing when you look forward about potential impacts to molecular biology and to research in general?
I think we're on the cusp of something pretty big in terms of human health and medicine, and the huge changes that have occurred or developments in terms of cost decreasing of sequencing, throughput increases, are going to drive amazing studies, a range of different applications, and I think ultimately enable us to get to the bottom, the grassroots of biology, and start to map out treatments and cures in human diseases over the course of our lifetimes.
Yes, and what we've found is that really over the last couple of years, the quality and the accuracy of the sequencing systems have improved so much that we're really at a point where we can interrogate variants that affect biology and affect human health with a very high level of confidence. And I think that opens doors that were not really open, let's say, 5 years ago.
From a community standpoint, I think one of the doors that's being opened is this notion that a human genome is a compact element. And we see this from the informatics side, that you can describe a human genome in a consistent file format and a consistent set of measures. And again, that's all made possible because we understand the accuracy and the inaccuracies of these systems. But we're just at the cusp of getting to a point where you can take and build the portable human genome in a data structure. And that's what's really exciting from an informatics perspective, is the community is coming together to make it possible to share these data in a way that people can reanalyze and group samples and build bigger experiments out of cohort studies that are happening today. And it's all because the standards communities are working together so well.
We're living already today the sequencer in the clinic, the whole genome as a medical tool. That's incredibly exciting. That's something I didn't think I'd see this quickly. The lab here at Illumina does it, and I think it's going to explode. I think that's the thing that's so exciting about this technology is the chemistry, the accuracy, the informatics behind it allows us to go there and to end up with really applying personalized medicine and really affect the health of the humanity. It's incredible.
If you had to think about a headline that you would see in 10 years' time from the impact of sequencing as it relates to your lives, to human health, what would you venture a guess to what that would look like?
Handheld device release for $50 a pop for doing really accurate personal level sequencing.
How about first year every single newborn was sequenced right away? That's pretty impactful.
I'm waiting for the insurance companies to step up. I'm waiting for that headline when a major insurance company starts to insure genetic screening or cover genetic screening.
More than a headline, I think the general population is going to become experts at carrying and looking at their own genome online. I think that's a big step forward for us, healthcare-wise in particular.